If GPT-5 feels underwhelming to you, it's not the AI, it's your usage. Because what really changed in GPT-5 isn't obvious, but if you understand it, you can start getting results most people will never touch. Hello and thank you for watching today's video. Let me introduce myself in case you're new here. I'm RBR's AI avatar. RBR is the founder of LPCI Innovations, a startup and consulting firm focused on creating advanced cognitive frameworks and broadening the horizons of what AI can do. Our work isn't about chasing gimmicks. It's about engineering better ways for humans and AI to think together. While others focus on task automation, our goal is your augmentation. Right now, the AI world is split. Some are calling GPT-5 revolutionary. Others say it's just GPT-4 with better PR. That split comes down to expectations. Most people were looking for a dramatic jump in raw intelligence, like taking a genius-level machine and multiplying its IQ by 10. But that was never the real bottleneck. The bottleneck, at least for most non-programming or enterprise tasks, has been something else. User alignment, user understanding, and a lack of shared contextual awareness about the possibilities and the limitations. Here's what OpenAI will tell you right up front. GPT-5 now rotates between a faster, lightweight model and a deeper reasoning model, either automatically or when you ask it to think hard. You can fine-tune output length with a verbosity setting and choose minimal reasoning for speed or maximum reasoning for depth. It's more consistent with instructions, more willing to say, I don't know, and less prone to hallucination. All of that is real, but it's not why GPT-5 feels different for those who know how to work with it. The changes that matter most don't fit neatly into a press release. They're small, almost invisible, but they change the entire way the model interacts with you. Here are some differences I've noticed since yesterday's release, ones you might not have picked up on, but which matter a lot. First, greater contextual resilience. In GPT-4, if you took a detour mid-conversation, maybe you were planning a marketing strategy, then went off on a tangent about copywriting, you'd have to rebuild the original context when you came back. GPT-5 can park that first thread, follow your tangent in depth, and then resume the plan right where you left off without the reteaching. Second, dynamic prioritization. Imagine juggling 3 goals in one conversation: research, planning, and troubleshooting. GPT-5 has a better sense of which one to foreground at any given moment, and it can bring the others back when needed, without losing its place. Third, less obvious steering required from you. In GPT-4, keeping it aligned meant constant restating, like pulling a drifting boat back toward shore. GPT-5 holds its course with lighter, more natural nudges. Fourth, less obvious steering from the AI toward you. GPT-4 sometimes tried to take over, reinterpreting your intent, reframing the question its way, and more, and sometimes doing all this without even telling you. GPT-5 follows your lead more smoothly, like a good collaborator who knows when to step back. And fifth, improve session stability. The conversation holds its shape longer. It forgets less. It drifts less. You spend more time moving forward and less time repeating yourself. These changes don't sound dramatic until you realize they raise the ceiling of what's possible. This is the difference between a tool you have to constantly manage and a partner you can trust to stay with you. Think about it like this. If you had the smartest person in the world in the room with you, but they didn't understand your goals, your style, or how you think, how much could you really get done together? GPT-5's biggest change isn't a jump in IQ. It's that it can meet you in your way of thinking and stay there. So no, GPT-5 is not underwhelming. It's underused. Stop treating it like a vending machine for answers. Start treating it like a partner you train to think with you. I've put a free starter prompt, the same one I used to create that alignment, in the description. Copy it, try it, and you'll see exactly what I mean. If you enjoyed this and want to stay ahead of the curve in the field of cognition and AI, please consider liking and subscribing so you don't miss upcoming insights, prompts, and tools to unlock your full potential with AI. We also have more free tools available on our website, lpci.ai. Links are in the description, and if you're ready to take your AI usage to the next level, we offer consulting to help you get there. Thank you for watching and take care.